Alright everybody, welcome back to another video for the series of Nginx as a load balancer. And in this video I'm going to go over some basic server setup for our newly deployed servers. I have already logged in into my load balancer server 1 and app server 2 as a root user. As you can see, root at Nginx LB, but you do not want to go and do your work as a root user ever. You want to create your own separate user and authorize that user with all the admin and root privileges, and use that user as your primary account. You should not use root anyway, as much as you can. So in this one we'll be going I just kept one big window so you guys can see the commands and everything that I'm typing, but I will be doing the same thing for other two windows here, other two users. So let's get going. So simple command to add user, the command to add a new user in Ubuntu is as simple as add user space the name you want to give that user. So I'll just say add user Viral, enter Unix password. I'll set up a secure password for my account, and full name Viral Joshi, nothing, so you can just skip it. Enter, correct, yes. And now I'm going to give my user administrative privileges, and in order to do that the command is user mode space -a uppercase G. So you also want to make sure that your characters, these commands are case sensitive, so you want to have a lowercase a and uppercase G as a argument. So user mode space -ag space sudo space the user you just created. In my case it's Viral. And if you want to check the authentication, we can do that, but I want to also set up a simple Ubuntu firewall that is preloaded in Ubuntu, which is called UFW, Ubuntu firewall. So I can just go ahead and UFW app list. And we want to make sure that we have OpenSSH in it. We can, if it's not there, we can always do UFW allow OpenSSH. Our OpenSSH for the firewall is already in there, but you can just enter rules updated and you can check and make sure it's there. And now we're just going to make sure that it's enabled. And please ignore my typo errors, because as I said in previous videos I use Mac mostly, so the keyboard is different. What did we do? What did I type? Oh, enabled. As I just said, command may, yes. We want to go ahead and firewall is inactive, and if we want to check the status, you just type UFW status. That's it. So it's active and it's allowing OpenSSH. So I'm going to exit, and I'm going to copy the IP address and open a PuTTY again. Enter, and now I'm going to try to log in as the user that I just created. So let me go ahead and change the font and everything. Viral. And I am logged in as Viral for this server, as you can see. So I'm going to run sudo command again, apt get update. Let's see. Okay, it's going to ask me for the password. We can remove that, but I'm not going to work on that for now. It will say, it should save it for one session. Yes, it just saved it. So for some time, if you run once you enter the password, it won't ask for the password for like some time, like I don't know, 5 minutes or something. But if you please add a comment and let everybody else know. On top of my head, I don't remember that. All right, so let's practice one more time on, oops, not this guy, on our server 1. So I'm going to do add user viral password, confirm the password, and full name viral Joshi, enter, yes. Okay, and I'm going to add user mode ag sudo viral. Also, your username is case sensitive, so if here I created user with a lower case, and if I by mistake put uppercase, it's gonna be a problem. So, and the next thing we want to do is I want to make sure UFW app list should have the OpenSSH, but I'm again gonna do UFW allow OpenSSH, UFW enable, and yes, and I should be able to see UFW status. All right, it's active and I got SSH. I'm going to exit, and for now I'm just going to leave it there. Oh, where's my other, this guy here. Before I run any other commands, I'm going to show you status of UFW right now. Oh, status inactive, so you should have it inactive by default. So okay, add user viral password, re-enter the password, full name viral Joshi, enter, yes, UFW allow open SSH, and UFW enable, yes, and I want to do exit. Okay, let's try both. So I'm going to run putty again, this guy, viral, my password, and okay, sudo apt-get update password. Okay, looks like this guy is working, and I'm gonna copy the server 2, login as viral. Nope, that's the wrong one. So again, viral password, sudo apt-get update. Okay, password one more time. Wait. Did I not? Oh, okay. So I think I forgot to do the user mode. So if you caught that one, that's good. So I'm gonna log in as a root user, which simply su space hyphen will do that. And now I'm going to do user mode ag sudo viral. Okay, I should have that now. If I do exit, I will be logged back in as a viral, and let's try sudo update. Okay, let's try again the session. Okay, so server 1. Okay, viral. Okay. Okay, now we're back. So my server 1 is up here. Oh, wait. No, I was already logged in 1. Never mind. I need to try server 2. Viral. Password. Update. Please work. Yay! Alright. So the server 2 is here. Server 1 is here. And the load balancer is here. So basically now I can log in as my own user, viral, and I also have admin privileges for these servers. So next step would be installing Nginx in all 3 servers and set up this one as a load balancer and set up these two as our application server. In this case, we'll be running just two static HTML files saying server 1 and server 2. We will not be focusing on installing anything like PHP or Python or any other stuff for now, because again, this series is about setting up Nginx as a load balancer. So I want to make it as as short as possible. So, all right, thank you guys, and I will see you everyone in the next video. Thank you.